In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a jam on Spotify PC. If you're ready to get your groove on and share some tunes with your friends or family, you've come to the right place. This simple guide will walk you through the steps needed to start a jam on Spotify using your computer, ensuring a fun and seamless experience for everyone involved. First things first, make sure you have the Spotify app installed on your PC. If you haven't done this yet, head over to the official Spotify website and download the app. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation as prompted. Logging in or creating an account with Spotify is necessary. The option is available during installation or when you first open the software. If you're using a shared computer, take a moment to ensure you're logged into the correct account to manage your playlists and save music effectively. Once you've got Spotify open and you're logged into your account, look around for the playlist you want to jam to or start by creating a new playlist. To create one, click on Create Playlist in the navigation pane on the left. This will prompt you to name your playlist and optionally add a description or cover photo, making it personalized for your jam session. Adding tracks is simple. Search for your favorite songs, artists, or albums and drag them to your newly crafted playlist. It's important that the playlist reflects the vibe you're going for. After setting up your playlist, it's time to start your jam session. Look at the lower right corner of the interface where you'll see a tiny speaker icon, otherwise known as the Connect feature. Click on that icon to access different device options. For the purpose of starting a jam, you'll need to look for your computer in this list or another external speaker if you have one set up. Sometimes it might require a bit to fully sync, so be patient if there's a slight delay. Now, you're ready to start jamming with friends. Share your playlist with friends by right-clicking on the playlist title in the sidebar and selecting the Share option. You'll see different choices for sharing, ranging from direct Spotify links to social media options. Choose whatever fits best for you and your group. Make sure your friends have their Spotify accounts ready. They'll be able to join in and add their tracks if the playlist settings allow. Once your friends have joined the jam, hit play and enjoy the collaborative music experience. Keep an open ear for those incoming suggestions your friends might give you, since a jam is all about sharing and discovering music together, creating a dynamic and interactive environment. Whether you're hosting a virtual get-together or simply having a digital music night, your Spotify jam is now set up and ready to roll. Enjoy the beats and let the good times flow, knowing you've mastered the art of starting a jam on Spotify PC.